How do we see an object? That is very interesting question, right? So in general, there are two main methods that we see objects. And in order to see an object, we need to have generally three things. One is you need to have a light source, and then you need to have an object, and also you need to have a detector. So let's consider some items on my table. So this one, I shine light on this one, and reflected one I registered on camera. So similarly, you can think of situation where you have white light source. So consider, although it's yellowish, it's a white light source. It hits on some surface and get reflected from that surface and reach our eyes. So that's it. That is how you see objects like this. So these we call passive objects. And there could be a situation where like these are like some illuminating lamps, and this one is actually when I'm preparing this slideshow, I took this. So if you're seeing this one from a screen, so it's kind of emitting. It's not reflecting any light from something because those are emitters. So we can have like LED lamps or fluorescent lamp or even sun. Those are like emitters. So if you are seeing those objects, light emitting objects, we directly see them. Right? It's not reflection. Now, interestingly, if we have a, let's consider this as a white light source and our object is greenish, and let's say our detector is eye. So white light hits on the green surface and it reflects green. The idea is that it reflects green and absorbs all the other colors. So that is why it looks like green. So similarly, if our object is bluish, white light hits on this one and only blue get reflected. Now let's consider we change our light source. It's a blue light source. So blue light source, it hits on the surface and get reflected. So you remember that. So blue surfaces, it reflects blue and absorb all the other colors. Now what if we have the same blue light and our object is red now? So in this case, blue light goes and hits there, and what should come out? By definition, when I say it's a red object, it reflects only red and all the other colors get absorbed. So this blue color got absorbed here, so nothing comes out here. So when nothing comes out here, we call it's a black. So okay, let's consider this experimental setup. I have some colored candy on my table, and I have a light source where I can change the color, and then I have the camera. So light coming from the light source will hit on the pebbles, and that will be reflected back to the camera so that I'm recording it. So in this, I actually recorded this one and try to guess what the colors you can see over here. Now color light source is red. Now light source is green. Now light source is blue. Can you guess the colors? Okay, this is what happens when you have real